Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to build your business strategy with Power BI with data-driven decisions. Welcome to another video by colorstack.net powered by Slidespoor. A clear and actionable business strategy is built on data, and Power BI enables businesses to transform raw data into meaningful insights, guiding decision making for future success. And let's explore how to use Power BI to analyze your business data and develop a data driven strategy along with some real world examples. The first thing that you have to do is to define business goals. Before diving into analytics, define what success looks like for your business. An example is a retail company wants to increase sales by 15% over the next year. They use Power BI to analyze past sales data, identify best selling products, and determine seasonal demand trends. Similarly, you can use data collection and integration. So, this will be the second step. Gather data from multiple sources to get a 360-degree view of your businesses. Power BI allows seamless integration with various platforms like Excel, SQL. So in Power BI, you can see we have a lot of connectors like Excel workbook, SQL Server, text or CSV file from web, blank query, and you will find a whole list of different data sources that you can connect. So if your business utilizes multiple data sources or multiple tools and technology to store your data, you can connect all of them together in one place, and you can, as some of them are mentioned here, so you can gather data from multiple sources. An example would be an e-commerce business integrates Shopify, Google Analytics, and social media ad data into Power BI. This helps them track customer acquisition channels and optimize their ad spend. You can Third step is to create key performance indicators that are also known as KPIs. Identifying and visualizing key metrics is crucial for monitoring progress. For example, here you can see whenever we have taught any data analysis dashboard, whenever we have brought any tutorial on our channel. So every time we start with building some KPIs. These KPIs are presented with simple cards, and these KPIs helps you in identifying and visualizing key metrics that are crucial for monitoring progress, as mentioned above. An example is a subscription based SaaS company tracks KPIs like customer churn rate, monthly recurring revenue, and customer lifetime value. So you can see in one of our tutorials, we explain how to create a customer churn analysis project using the data, connecting it, and creating an interactive dashboard that everyone can use. Here you can see you can view customers at risk, number of tech tickets, admin tickets, yearly charges, churn customers by gender, how many of them were senior citizen, partner percentage, dependency, etc. So all these things you can do. And when I am mentioning this, all these tutorials are already on our platform. Next is to perform data analysis. Power BI's built-in AI and DAX formulas help business uncover trends and make informed decisions. Example is a restaurant chain uses Power BI to analyze customer footfall data across locations. They discover that one store has lower weekend traffic. Further analysis reveals that local competitors offer discounts during weekends. Now they respond by launching a special weekend promotion. So this is one data driven decision that you have created using the data analysis. Next is to build interactive dashboards. So Power BI dashboards provide real-time insights that and they are easy to understand and interact with. Here you can see we have multiple interactive dashboards with filters, you can see all of them. So here you can see major businesses with highest net assets. It's an exploratory data analysis. Here you can see HR analytics dashboard with attrition analysis. Here you can see electrical energy consumption analysis dashboard. Here is a simple insurance premium analysis overview. So we have more than 100 such dashboard tutorials on our channel. An example will be a manufacturing company builds a Power BI dashboard that tracks inventory level, supply performance, and production efficiency. Here is one dashboard that we uploaded yesterday, focusing production working hours analysis. So you can see different type of reports and visuals here. So this is something that you can do, and this helps managers prevent stockouts and optimize supply chain operations. Sixth step is you can implement predictive analysis. You can leverage machine learning and forecasting tools within Power BI to anticipate future trends. Example will be a hotel chain uses Power BI's forecasting feature to predict room occupancy rates based on past booking trends. And this helps them adjusting pricing dynamically and maximizing revenue during peak sessions or seasons. Seventh is to make data-driven decisions. You can turn insights into actions, and that ensures continuous business growth. Example is a financial service firm uses Power BI to analyze customer credit scores and spending patterns. Based on these insights, they personalize loan offers and increase approval rates while maximizing risk. Conclusion is Power BI empowers businesses to track performance, optimize operations, and make proactive decisions. Whether you are in retail, SaaS, manufacturing, or finance, a data driven strategy ensures you stay ahead of the competition. And if you would like any industry specific Power BI dashboard template that we have built, or a step by step implementation guide for any particular business that you are trying to analyze, you can let us know in the comment section. We will be happy to help. We have a playlist with more than 100 videos. So here you can see Power BI tutorial with real-time projects for beginners with 105 videos. And not only Power BI, if you are interested in learning Looker Studio, which is formerly Google Data Studio, or doing it with Python Pandas, or doing it with Excel, or doing it with Tableau, we have all those tutorials. Like here, we have 25 videos dedicated toward interactive Excel reports. So everything you can learn on our channel. And whether you are a business owner, business analyst, data analyst, or you are learning as a student, all of these videos will help you in building interactive dashboards with great storytelling in them and with some real insights using which you can create data driven decisions. If you like this tutorial and would like to receive more videos like this, more video tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel. It will help us in bringing unique content for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.